You have seen these. So, what are they for? They are for the pilots. A power line cable is maybe 3 centimeters thick. When you are on the ground, that's obvious, it's right there. But go up in a small plane, look down, and 3 centimeters wire is gone. You do not see it. And you are not going over it at walking speed. You are flying at 200 kilometers per hour, 30 meters up, in a crop duster. The first time you find out the wire is there is when you hit it. So, put something on the wire that a pilot can see. That's a ball. It's called an aerial marker ball, and there are actually rules for it. FAA has the entire document. Whatever that says how this should work. They come in 20 to 36 inches across, so about half meter to nearly a meter. Each one of them has to be in one single color: aviation orange, white or yellow. And it has to be recognizable in clear daylight from 4,000 feet away. So that's about 1 kilometer. They also can't be more than 200 feet apart along the wire. Miss the space and the pilot see the ball floating in the sky and has no idea that the wire runs through it. But here's the detail I like. Why there are multiple colors in one single line? Backgrounds change. Orange is fantastic against snow, pale sky or water. Useless against sunset or autumn trees. White is fantastic against dark forest and rock. Useless against cloud. So they alternate them. Whatever the pilot is looking at least one of those balls is visible in the background instead of blending into it. And where do you find them? Anywhere where the planes fly low. Near airports, mountain passes, deep valleys, river crossings, because that is what pilots are following when the weather gets bad. Big highway crossings. If you see those marker balls, you are probably standing somewhere where the planes fly low. So how do they get up there? The ball is hollow to halves clamped around the cable, about 8 kilos, and someone has to go up there and put it on. That someone is in helicopter hovering next to a live transmission line, leaning out and bolting a ball onto a cable carrying up to 500,000 volts, which they do not switch off, because switching it off means switching it off the city.